Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make fall colors as an ombre for one of my clients. So keep watching and stay tuned.
Loving the shit out you, fucking the shit out you for 7 days straight, and now I can't live without you. And if we ever broke up, I won't have a kid without you. You forever in my heart, I won't forget about you. I be crushing you on Monday like it's Wednesday. You pressed about that nigga with your friends say. G63 is what your Ben say. I'm so happy you ain't listen to your friends, babe. You can tell me how you want it, how you need it, I don't mind. Need you right here by my side, cause out of sight is out of mind. And out of spite, you hit decline, but I was hype. I hit your line a few more times, when you hit back, I'm gonna respond.
Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, 24/7.
Yeah, you be throwing that shit back like it's a Thursday. I be treating you like every day your birthday. Them hoes ain't fucking with you on your worst day. I got you on a new level like what first say. When you feel down, I pick you up, put on your crown and lift you up. I put a rock all on your finger, so much ice could push you up. Heard they feelings about you, baby, told them hoes I wish them luck. Talking relationship goals, this could be us. Yup, 24/7, what's the 411? When you see me kneel like Kaepernick, call a reverend. So I got $1 million in the stash for a wedding. If you ready, let me know, cause it's whatever.
Loving on you in the worst way. Yeah, anniversary. Want the suit up on my birthday, cause I know they keep you thirsty. Ain't no playing, this is us. Boy, be gentle, ain't no rush. 365, you the only one I trust. No, I can't get enough. And all my ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, yeah. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.